Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to highlight duplicate sentences in Word for macOS. Open the file you need, click on Tools at the top menu bar and select Macro, and then View Basic Editor from the list. A new window will open. Click on View at the top menu bar and select Code from the list. Copy and paste the code file you can find in the description box below. Click on the play icon in the Tools bar. Click on Run. Click on Word at the top menu bar. Select Close and Return to Microsoft Word from the list. You will see highlighted sentences in your document. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!